Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your AT&T Wi-Fi extender step by step. First, place your extender close to your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. Now, plug the extender into a working electrical outlet. Once you plug it in, look at the light on the back of the device. Wait for the light to start blinking green. This means the extender is powered on and ready to pair. It may take a minute for the light to begin blinking, so be patient. Next, we will connect the extender to your gateway using the WPS method. On your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway, locate the WPS button. Press the WPS button once. After that, go to the back of the extender and press its WPS button as well. Once both buttons have been pressed, the devices will begin to connect. This step can take about 3 to 5 minutes. If you prefer another method, you can use the Smart Home Manager app. Open the app on your phone. Tap on Network, then choose Home Network Hardware. Select Add Extender and follow the instructions shown on your screen. The app will guide you through the rest of the setup. After the setup is complete, check the front light on the extender. It should turn solid white or green. This means your extender is successfully connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching.